Alright, good morning. I'm not sure what day this is, but I'm on the road early again this morning. It's about 20 past 8. Yeah, 20 past 8, and it's about 3 degrees, which is very chilly. There's a frost this morning. So I got up early, packed up early, and decided to set off and find some breakfast. So this is the way today. Not sure how far I'll get. Leverkusen would be great. Anywhere between there and here is fine. So this morning you might have noticed a change of hat. I'm quite used to cycling in the cold mornings. That's not a problem. But the airy cap was not for today. I might have just said Leverkusen, but that's far behind me. I think Wiesbaden, maybe that's even far behind me. I don't even know where I am. But anyway, this way for about, I don't know, hopefully 80k. See how we get on. It's always good to see something like this. It means something important's coming up, and I think this is just telling me this is a gateway to the Loreley Gorge. Probably got that name absolutely wrong, but there we go. So I'm going to go from where I am now down to Rudesheim and see what that has to offer. I think this is Romantischer Rhein, so this is where all of the, you know, the castles and yeah, the robber knights of the Rhine come from, all those stories. So we'll have a look at that. Looks like some wine going on over there. Bopparder Ham, it says on that sign over the other side of the river. So yeah, early days though, early spring. This road's a little bit deceptive. It looks like it's going downhill, but I don't think it is. I think it's just with all the hills and the river down there and the general lie of the land, I think it's completely flat. Might be wrong. Over there on that hill, there's a chairlift going up to the top. So there must be something up there, viewing point or something. Okay, so this is one of the little places on the Loreley route through the Rhine. It's absolutely gorgeous here this morning, really warm. I think it's time for a change of hat even. It's got so warm. I've just come here, stopped here to have a look at the Loreley 6, the ferry crossing the river. Well, there we are, got to Loreley, just about an hour and 25 minutes, 30k, loads of stops for camera stuff, absolutely gorgeous. Little vineyards up there to my left. Right, I think it's time for second breakfast. Chocolate croissants, I think. All I need now is a bakery. I think this part just over here is probably the narrowest part of the Rhine on almost its entire flow. It's a really narrow section and the current looks amazingly fast. I'm sure my friends on the cruise boat are taking pictures of me saying, look at that madman riding his bike. Just stopped in this gorgeous little place called Corb, and one of the front blackburn cages has fallen off, so I need to just do a couple of little repairs on that. But while I do that, have a look at this. Okay, that problem's solved. So next little job is another bike ride. I'm going that way towards Rudesheim. Okay, I've just found out that the Eurovelo 15 on this east bank of the river is closed, so I've got to take this little ferry over and then another ferry back to Bingen, from Bingen to Rudesheim a little later on, so that's going to be fun to see what happens there. Right, this is great, not something I had planned today, but yeah, something nice to do. So there's going to be two if not three ferry rides today, so that's quite good, quite different. Just going across from Lorch or Lorach or Lorch or something like that to this other place. I don't even know where it is, but I know the Eurovelo 15 is on the other side as well towards Bingen, so that's where I'm going to go. I'm just waiting for the chap now to come and take my €2.90 for the ride. So I got off that little ferry and I'm now travelling along the west bank of the Rhine. It's really lovely on this side, the sun's just in the right spot. Looks fantastic over there. Really nice sunny day, and I'm following a couple of ships again. I'm just coming up on the little town of Bingen, where I've been told that after the town there's another ferry which takes me to Rudesheim. So yeah, looking forward to that. Alright, I've made it to Bingen, and this is probably a better view of the start of the Loreley Gorge than probably in Rudesheim actually, because Rudesheim you can just see the flatlands heading towards Mainz. So yeah, this is a great spot. I've just had a chat with a couple of people. Really nice place, everybody's here doing the same thing, taking some pictures and making a few videos, so I'm just going to make a few videos. Here's a bit of the gorge. Okay, I'm going to try and find the ferry across to Rudesheim or a supermarket, whichever comes first. I don't mind, just need to get some food in. Here's the bike. So I made it to the ferry before I found a supermarket, so I'm going to go for a ride across the Rhine again, another €2.90, and see if I can find somewhere to buy some lunch when I get there. Alright, I've just left Rudesheim, stocked up on some food from the supermarket, and I'm heading this direction towards Mainz. I'm going to try and find somewhere to stop and have some lunch shortly. You can see how wide the Rhine is here. Absolutely mighty river. So I'm back on the east bank, the east bank, and yeah, making progress today. Feels good today. Okay, I've just stopped for lunch, which was very nice. Now I'm heading on past Wiesbaden, just past Mainz, to another campsite. So hopefully, it's 2:30 now, should be there by about 3:30. So it'll be another 5-hour day, but 100k nearly. So that's good, I'm pleased with that. It's difficult to see what's going on here with the river, but there are actually 3 sections. This little segment in front of here, which is for like rowing boats and what have you. The middle section is for the bigger pleasure boats, just to cruise up and down on. And a bit further, the other side, there's a secondary navigation channel for the ships. It's a long way across there. It must be probably 1.5 kilometres all the way across there. A long way. Alright, I'm just coming into the outskirts of Wiesbaden now. It's getting quite busy. Someone coming the other way in the middle of the road. Looks like I've got to carry on straight here, ignoring the Google. It'll pick me up when I need to get back on the route. Carry on straight though. So it's one of the little harbours, Hafen in Wiesbaden. All the little pleasure boats all moored up. Not many people out today. Everyone's gone back to work after the Easter weekend, except me. Hey! Now that's a crazy coloured building. I don't know what that's all about. EU and German flags though. Okay, last few kilometres for the day. I've gone past, I think it's Mainz over there on the other side of the river. I'm going past that and I'm heading this way through the pollarded trees to the campsite. So yeah, another good day. I think probably a 90k, 92k. So yeah, very pleased with that. So here's the campsite. Turned out to be a little less, 94.5, but I haven't found a way in yet. And there's a car coming. Oh no, it's not. It's gone in the way in. So yeah, good day. Good day. Looks fine to me. After 90k, anywhere would look fine actually. Let's see if any of these spaces are available.